Okay, this would be interesting. The light source is out of the screen, so we're going to put the light source in the same position. I guess it could be there. We'll have a lot of ghosts there. So let's go into the ghosts. I will add scale. Okay, these are circles, so I will use circles here and there. I will remove the center transparency because I don't need it. I will let the circles be more blurred. And okay, scale down. I can add some more ghosts. I can change the seed. The seed is the way Blender generates them using different math. So if you change the seed, you can obtain different kind of generation. And we can see if we can obtain something similar. Move the sun there, something similar to what we have in our reference image there. Okay, I will try to use this, and it's not the same, but it could be. I can try to increase the number of ghosts a little, and we have to change this color. We can change it from here, or we can change it using the hue saturation, but I think it's better from here because it should influence only these elements, and I will go to make it white because we need them to be white. Okay, then we have to turn down the brightness from here. And there is something more complex here. We don't have a generation of this kind of effects. I'm working at it, but at the moment we have only this light reflection. That is something that could be helpful. I will activate it, and as you can see, it creates a very important effect that is not what we need now. So I will scale it down. And as you can see, it puts the effect at the end of our chain of ghosts. Is too distant. It goes at the end of the screen. So we'll have to move again the ghosts, not just to shift them. I think we can compress the line extension. Take a look at this, what happens. Okay, it compresses, and could be good because if we compress them, we can then offset and go into this area and have this last element that is into the screen. There are two big flares. Then maybe that moving the seed, we can have something more similar to our reference, or maybe that I have to scale down these. Yes, it's better. Go back to our light reflection. That is this one. This is something like a PNG, an image that is overlaid there. We have to choose from a lot of different situations that are just like caustics created by light. Let's turn it down. This is the brightness. This is the saturation of the color. We can change the hue, and I think we could turn brightness down. It's very hard because if we had a picture overlaid under our flared, it would be more visible what we're going to do. On a black screen, it's harder. Anyway, I think that our flare should be less bright, and it would be more white, and we can obtain it turning down the saturation, moving with the brightness, and it's all there. These effects could be there. We can change these below too if we want, but I would try to work at this. Maybe you could use other source here that are better. I don't remember how many things we have there. It would be nice, this one. I will save it, and thank you for watching, and we will see in the next video. Bye bye.